Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to do oil and filter change on this 2022 GMC Yukon Denali 3.0 turbo diesel. Let's get started. And I'm shooting this video in Toronto, Canada. And as we further go in this video, I'll show you tools and accessories needed to do this job. This is the list of things we need to get this job done. I'm gonna use the ramps to get more room to get underneath the car. Quickly pop open your hood and loosen the oil fill cap. Use 15 mm wrench to open the drain plug and let the oil drain into the oil drain pan. Once the oil has been drained, just clean the drain plug and put it back. Make sure not to over tight the drain plug. Now open the old oil filter with your hand or by using the oil filter wrench if it's over tight. I usually add new oil into the new oil filter and lubricate the rubber seal nicely so it's not dry before you put it back on. Just gently hand tight the new oil filter. Once the new filter is on, just nicely spray brake cleaner underneath and wipe it off with the nice clean rag so there is no oil. Okay, now once underneath is done, it's time to fill oil. This car takes 6.6 liters and approximately 7 quarts of oil. After adding the oil, just start the car for half a minute and shut it off, and then check the oil level using a dipstick. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys like it.